Hey guys, remember that other boarded up house? Well, I got another one, and this time we're going to Hempstead, Long Island. Just minutes away from the Rosa Parks Hempstead Transit Center. At this transit center, you can connect to almost any point in Nassau County. Hey, so I told you this is a board up. Now it's gonna come with its bumps and bruises. We've got a 2-car garage, but Mother Nature had its piece. There's a tree in it. Hey, we all love big backyards, but this one, not only is it a big backyard, but it's a huge side yard. I have to caution you, it's a pretty good deal. And for the first time, we are not gonna enter the front door. We're gonna take this to the back side. So this home features 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Let's check it out. Welcome to 50 Linden Avenue in Hempstead, New York. Laundry, living room, dining room, kitchen, you've got the first floor covered. Let's see the bedrooms and baths. Every house has its little hidden treasures. I found one. It's in the closet. Don't have a ladder, but I'm looking up. It's an attic. Hey, when you gotta go, but please don't take the bathroom with you. This is where it used to be. Thanks for checking the opportunity in Hempstead, New York. Be sure to give us a call for your own personal tour and subscribe. I'll see you back in the neighborhood.